Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can put in an SD card to your Motorola G73 5G. For that you need to take your SD card. For that you need a simple paper clip again or a SIM card ejector, and then open up the SIM card slot here. Open that, take that out, and here we have our SIM card, and now we are going to put our SD card right next to it, and then we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. First thing we need to do now is to unlock our SIM card, and now when we go to our settings, go to storage, we have this device and then our SanDisk SD card, and we can now go ahead and put stuff on it so that it doesn't get too much on our internal storage. So that's how you can put an SD card to your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.